So we got a Thermo King APU, and it would not start because this pulley would sit on a cross member, like lay on it, eat out, and it died. So the problem is actually with the mount. It is snapped it in the half. Ted, can you move it? Engine back and forth a little bit. Yep. And this thing was sitting on the bottom of the pan. Okay, so let's going to remove the alternator. So the lower pan is down already. Okay, so first disconnect bunch of tiny wires. You press on it. We got a 10 mil going right here. That's a 10 mil. Once I remove the wire, J. Okay. It is hot. It is loaded. Okay. Now we got another wires. So wires are disconnected. This is 13 mil or half inch. We're gonna untie this completely. Let's loosen the belt. Also, you wanna lose this belt, not a belt but a bolt. If you're just dealing with the alternator, right there, lose that bolt right here. Now we can take this belt off. But we are, in our case, we are getting rid of the alternator completely to get into the mount, engine mount. Okay, so on this side bolt is out, 17 mil. Alright, alternator is out. Don't lose this nut right here on this side. And the cool thing about it, it got its own groove like that, so you don't need the extra tool to hold it. So alternator is out. Now we have to get rid of these two bolts. It's a 17 mil. Boom, we got these two down. And we got one bolt right here. That is 10 millimeters that holds that little bracket in place. Alright, once it's out. Oh, I see where it's cracked. Now we have better access to hex. It's not a hex, it's like an Allen key tool. Right there. We got 5/16 Allen. Alright, let's unscrew. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts. Oh, never mind. Through the broken mount. That's the only good thing about this mount when it's broke off like that in a half. It's easier to unbolt this puppy. Una más bolt. Yeah, we do some welding action here. So this is where it snapped right there. So we just need to secure bolts from the top and unscrew the nuts from the bottom. Okay. Moment of truth. Come on, baby. Eugh. Look at that. And it's only one way out is, I think you can, we just jacked up a little bit engine. You want to jack up a little bit more? Just a little bit. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so this is it. Заргудзар. Я. Ох ты, блин. Японский. Thrown at me all kind of. So that's what happened. That's what's up. That's what's cooking. Okay, while we still have a momentum, we need a new mound to put it in. All right, so we wiggled in our mound. We're just gonna do the reverse thing what we did, of course, with the taking off and stuff. So right now, Ted, please give me the long bolts.
Okay.
All right, so we got 2 bolts. We're not gonna put it knot because we're gonna play with this mount. We need that wiggle room to put the bolts here, Allen bolts, to the block. All right, yay, mount is in. Now we just need to secure. There should be a washer before this. 2 bolts, 1 and 2 bolts right there. Don't forget about this bolt that holds the wire bunch together.
Do it.